See, next example, 12 number. What is the integral given 0 to pi sin qx into 1 plus 2 cos x into 1 plus cos x bracket square dx? What is the value of this definite integration? Now see, I denote this integral as I is equal to 0 to pi sin square x into sin x. I write it as a 1 plus 2 cos x into 1 plus cos x bracket square into sin x dx. Okay, sin cube x. I write it as a sin square x into sin x dx. Now I use the formula for sin square x. What is the formula for that? 1 minus cos square x. So 0 to pi 1 minus cos square x into 1 plus 2 cos x into 1 plus cos x bracket square into sin x dx. Okay, now use the substitution. Put cos x is equal to t. After differentiating with respect to t, its derivative is minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so sin x dx value is minus dt, and limits also get changed. If x is equal to 0, then t is equal to cos 0 is 1, and if x is equal to 5, then t is equal to cos 5. Cos 5 value is minus 1. So what is value of definite integration? I is equal to 1 to minus 1, limits from 1 to minus 1. 1 minus t square into 1 plus 2t into 1 plus t bracket square, and sin x dx value is minus dt. For a negative sign, if I interchange the limits, then negative sign get removed. So I is equal to minus 1 to 1, 1 minus t square into 1 plus 2t. I multiply these two brackets, and 1 plus t bracket square is 1 plus 2t plus t square into dt. So simplify multiplying these brackets. What do we get? 1 plus 2t minus t square minus 2t cube into 1 plus 2t plus t square dt. Okay, so I is equal to, again perform the multiplication of two brackets and then take integration. Minus 1 to 1, 1 plus 2t plus t square. Okay, multiply by 2t plus 2t plus 4t square plus 2t cube. Okay, then multiply by minus t square. Minus t square minus 2t cube minus t raised to 4. Then multiply by minus 2 cube. Minus 2t cube minus 4 t raised to 4 and minus 2 t raised to 5 dt. Do the calculation of similar power terms. So here is minus t square plus t square get cancelled. Okay, then 2 minus 2t cube minus 2t cube and plus 2t cube. Minus 2t cube plus 2t cube terms get cancelled. Constant term is 1 plus 2t cube 4t. 4t, okay, only 4t term is there, minus t square 4t square and t square, minus plus t square get cancelled, 4t square here plus 4t square, then t cube 2t cube minus 2t cube get cancelled, minus 2t cube remain, then minus 1t raised to 4 minus 4t raised to 4 minus 5t raised to 4 and minus 2t raised to 5. These terms remain after calculation. Now take the integration of these terms. What is its value? I is equal to t plus 4 t square by 2. So it is 2t square plus 4 upon 3 t cube minus t raised to 4 upon 2 minus t raised to 5 minus t raised to 6 upon 3 and put limit minus 1 to 1. So put the upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 plus 2 into 1 square plus 4 by 3 minus 1 half minus 1 by 3 minus lower limit minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 square plus 4 by 3 into minus 1 cube minus minus 1 raised to 4 upon 2 minus minus 1 raised to 5 minus minus 1 raised to 6 by 3. So what is the calculation of terms? 1 plus 2 3, 1 minus 1 cancel 2 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 3 by 3 is 1, 2 plus 1 minus 1 half. Okay, then minus 1 2 plus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 2 minus 4 by 3 minus 1 half and minus 1 by 3. So what is the final calculation? 2 plus 1 3 and 3 minus 1 half minus 2 and these terms perform minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 by 3 minus minus is plus 5 by 3 and plus 1 half. So minus 1 half plus 1 half get cancelled. So 1 plus 5 by 3 and its final value is 8 upon 3. So the definite integral value is 8 upon 3. Okay, this is the final answer. Now see next example, 13 number. What they have given. See, 13 number is 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x, 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x into tan inverse of sin x dx. Okay, tan inverse of sin x dx. Now see, I denote this integral as I 0 to pi by 2. For sin 2x, I write the half angle formula, double angle formula for that. 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x, I write here cos x dx into tan inverse of sin x. Okay, now put sin x is equal to t. Then after differentiating with respect to t, what do we get? Its derivative is cos x dx is equal to dt. And limits also change. If x is equal to 0, then t is equal to sin 0 is 0. If x is equal to pi by 2, then t is equal to sin pi by 2, value is 1. So final answer, final integral becomes 0 to 1 to t into tan inverse of t and dt. Okay, this is inverse function and this is the trigonometric algebraic function. So by integration by parts, which is u and which is v. Inverse function is u and arithmetic function is v. Okay, so its integration is tan inverse t by parts. Integration by parts. What is its value? Tan inverse t, integration of 2t dt minus 0 to 1 limits, integration 0 to 1 d by dt of 2t. Sorry, first function tan inverse t into integration of 2t dt, again integration dt. So what is the integration of 2t? T square tan inverse t 0 to 1 minus 0 to 1. Derivative of tan inverse t 1 upon 1 plus t square into t square and dt. So upper limit minus lower limit. 1 square tan inverse 1 minus 0 minus 0 to 1 t square plus 1 minus 1 upon t square plus 1 dt pi by 4 minus divide separately. So what is the integration? Integration 0 to 1 dt minus minus get plus 0 to 1 1 upon t square plus 1 dt. Okay. Now I is equal to pi by 4 minus integration of dt is t plus tan inverse t and 0 to 1. Okay. You see pi by 4 minus upper limit is 1 plus tan inverse 1 minus 0 plus tan inverse 0. So the value is pi by 4 minus 1 plus pi by 4. So it is pi by 4 minus 1 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 minus pi by 4 get cancelled and final value is I is equal to minus 1. Is the value of this integration. Okay. Here I get the negative sign here. Okay. Minus okay. See here we have there one mistake in the calculation. So first integral is if I keep negative sign here, then here is again negative sign. First term is positive, second is negative. So integration is t minus tan inverse t. Okay, t minus tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 1 minus lower limit 0 minus tan inverse 0. So the value is pi by 4 minus 1 minus tan 1 minus pi by 4. So the final answer is pi by 4 minus 1 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 pi by 4 is pi by 2 minus 1. This is the final value of this definite integration. Okay, you see example 14. Question number 14. What is it? See, integration from 1 upon root 2 to 1. 1 upon root 2 to 1. Okay, e raised to cos inverse x into sin inverse x upon root 1 minus x square dx. So I write it as I is equal to 1 upon root 2 to 1 e raised to cos inverse x into sin inverse x dx upon root 1 minus x square. If we use the substitution for sin inverse x is equal to t, then you have to calculate the value of cos inverse x. Okay, I use the substitution. Put sin inverse x is equal to t, therefore x is equal to sin t. Differentiating with respect to t, so dx is equal to cos t dt. Okay, now see 1 minus x square is 1 minus sin square t means cos square t, and cos t value is square root of 1 minus x square. Okay. See, what is the value of cos inverse x? Here I am getting. Okay. If I made some arrangement, see, sin inverse, if I put sin inverse x is equal to t, then after differentiating with respect to t, what we are getting here? The derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx value is dt. Also, limit gets changed. If x is equal to 1 upon root 2, then t is equal to sin inverse 1 upon root 2. So its value is pi by 4. And if x is equal to 1, then t is equal to sin inverse 1. Then it is pi by 2. So definite integral limits change, and from pi by 4 to pi by 2. E raised to, as you know the property, cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x, as sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So what it will be? Pi by 2 minus t. We have used the substitution, sin inverse x is equal to t. So cos inverse x value is pi by 2 minus t. So e raised to pi by 2 minus t into, in place of sin inverse t, x I write it as a t into dt. Dx upon root 1 minus x square value is dt. So the integral is e raised to pi by 2 minus t into t dt. We can use the by parts. Arithmetic function first function and exponential function is the second function. By integration by parts. What is the value of this integral? I is equal to, okay, t integration of e raised to pi by 2 minus t dt minus pi by 4 to pi by 2. Limits from pi by 4 to pi by 2 minus pi by 4 to pi by 2 d by dt of first function t, integration of e raised to pi by 2 minus t dt, and total integration is dt. So it is equal to t. What is the integration of e raised to pi by 2 minus t? E raised to pi by 2 minus t, and coefficient of t minus 1 is divided. So pi by 4 to pi by 2 limits for this minus pi by 4 to pi by 2. What is derivative of t with respect to t is 1, and integration of e raised to pi by 2 minus t is e raised to pi by 2 minus t, coefficient of pi by 2 minus t, t coefficient minus 1 divided, and integration dt. So minus t pi by 4 to pi by 2 minus minus plus, and its integration is e raised to pi by 2 minus t upon minus 1 pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, so both values are negative, so I take minus 1 common. So e raised to pi by 2 minus t, taking common t plus 1, and limits from pi by 4 to pi by 2. So minus 1 as it is. E raised to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 upper limit into pi by 2 plus 1 minus e raised to pi by 2 minus pi by 4 into pi by 4 plus 1. So what is simplification? E raised to 0 is 1. So pi by 2 plus 1 e raised to pi by 4, e raised to pi by 4 into pi by 4 plus 1. Okay, so final value is, this is the final value of definite integration. Negative sign, negative, negative, positive. E raised to pi by 4 into pi by 4 plus 1 minus pi by 2 plus 1. This is the final value of this definite integration. Okay, now see the next example in next video.